Here's how you can scan QR code on any Android. So there are two easy ways to do this. I will show you both. The first way is through your camera application. Just open camera application on your mobile phone. Place your camera in front of the QR code and click on this icon. Now click on open link and it will instantly open up the link that is associated with the QR code. As you can see, this is our channel's link. So we scan the QR code and it brought us to this page. Now, if that doesn't work, it means your camera's QR scanning isn't enabled. To do that, simply navigate to settings, search for camera and click about camera. Now, scroll up and you will see this section where you'll have to simply make sure that you turn on a scan QR code button at the top. So turn on this to make sure this method works. Now, the second way is through Google Lens. Simply navigate to Google application and make sure it's updated to the latest version. After you do this, you can simply click on this Google Lens icon and it will instantly open up your camera. Now, you can simply place your camera in front of the QR code and click on the URL that will be shown on your screen, and it will instantly open up the URL link that will be associated with the QR code. So, both methods work great, but the camera app is usually the quickest since it's always just one swipe away. So that's how you scan a QR code on Android phone. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.